Hey everyone, it's Donna, and I think this is going to be a fun unboxing. Meg, my new stylist, I loved what she sent in the last box. You'll have to check it out. But she picked some items that I could probably switch and use with the denim and the striped leg pants that I bought in a previous box. And I think it might be cute. But I don't have those with me, but let's talk about this box, what we have today. So hang on, I want to show you what we've got. So, styled for Donna. Let's tear this baby open and see what they sent. Let's look and see what's inside. And it looks like I've got some shoes. I love color. Ooh, that's a pretty cardigan. Some yellows, some reds, some tans. This is a little button-down top. I like that. I think I requested that. Shorts. We'll see what's in here. Pretty colors. It looks like spring. Hang on. I went to grab my glasses. Okay, some of the writing is very small and it's dark here today. It's been raining. This little top is cute. It has a high neck collar. It kind of drapes over the shoulders. I don't know how this is going to look, but I'm going to give it a try. It's always fun. This is by C's. It's the Pier Funnel Neck, and it's Hacci, Hacci, T in cherry, size small, $59. Here it is. And she said, sent me some cloud blue pants and recommended I put that on with these little shoes. That might be cute. Okay, then this is by the Wantable brand, W by Wantable. It's got a nice, they're both really nice fabrics. I do not see the tag on it. Hang on just a second. Had a glitch. Okay, because there was no tag on this, I had to stop and get the description paper. This is by the brand W by Wantable. It's one of their brands. This little top is the short sleeve striped top in oatmeal, off-white, size 2 to 4, $49, and yeah, here it is. We'll try it out. I like the little detailing around the arm sleeve. I'm not one to really wear this cut of a top, but I'll try it. So, slide that over here. And then next we've got, this is by Horizon, and I requested this. This is the Pine Henley sweatshirt in washed sunshine, a small, $89. It doesn't feel like sweatshirt material. It's like a nice heavy knit. Let me pull this up. And it does snap down the front. Let me show you. And here's the back. I thought this would be cute with a pair of shorts. And it's a really nice fabric. Very nice fabric. The next is going to be a little cardigan. By Vero Moda. I'll have to get the description off of here. Short sleeve button cardigan in birch, $66. And that's cute. Okay. And it is a button, just making sure. Instead of a snap. This is by Z Supply, and I think I requested it. This is a Seaport button-up top in parchment, size 2-4, $78. It's a little bit longer in the back than the front. And it's a plaid, and it's very, I don't know if I'm going to like this or not. You can kind of see through that. See that? But that will be fun to try on. Okay. Then we're coming to the shorts. And they sent me some of the longer shorts, which is the big thing this year. This is the Bryn, B-R-Y-N-N, patch pocket mid-length short in white, size 4, $79. These are really cute. I could see that with that little yellow sweatshirt. And I think I selected these. And yes, they have stretch. That's a good thing. Okay. I did select these two. This is by, I believe I did, by Another Love. This is a company. And their pants is called the Nicole Patch Pocket Crop Pant in Alabaster. Size 4, $99. Okay. So, hold that up. Yes, it has stretch. And I am going to be doing a try on so you can see all this. And they look like they come above the ankle. That's what I'm guessing. And we have one more pair of pants. These are the cloud blue pants by C's. I'll show you the back. They have stretch. And this is the Muse wide leg pant in pool blue, $99. And remember, if you buy 3 items or more, you start to get a discount. And if you're get into the different memberships, I'm like in a VIP group, your discount gets bigger the more you spend. So, you know, sometimes you can make it work when you buy things and you're not paying that much for them. Anyway, hold on. I'm going to try this stuff on. While you are waiting, down in the description box below this video is a link to get a discount if you're a first-time buyer of a Wantable box. I have an affiliate link. You can click on that and it will give you $25 off your first box. Try it out. If you don't like it, ships back free each time. They even send you an envelope, a return envelope, to send everything back in. So hang on and let's try on these clothes. Okay, I've got on the Vero Moda cardigan and I've put on the Another Love pants. I did not have, she recommended a tan tank top under it, high neck, but I didn't have it with me. But I did have a layering piece, so I just threw that on. So I want to show you what this looks like. What do you think? Well, not sure. It's cute. I think that I like both pieces, but maybe with something different, but I don't have everything with me. So, but I do, this cardigan is stinking cute. Hang on, we've got more. Snap on back. Okay, so here we have the Z Supply top and the C's pants. I love the color of these pants. Very cute. Perfect length. I'm 5'5". So, I don't know. I'm just not sure if I would reach for these pants. I live in northern Michigan, so everything up here is a little, I don't know, a little rougher sometimes. But, you know, I love to go out. So, Anyway, hang on. We've got more. Okay. Both items are from C's, the top and the pants. So you can see I'm a diabetic. And so I don't mind showing my pump, but sometimes I don't like to. But anyway, let's back this up so you can see it. This top would be stinking cute. There's cute with these pants, but I think that they would be cute with a pair of shorts for me. I don't know. I wear an insulin pump, and so, you know, there you go. Anyway, hang on, we've got more. Okay, I have on the little top, and I can't remember the company, I'm sorry, but I put on the white shorts, the longer white shorts. I like these shorts. I like more of a, if Meg, my stylist, she told me she had watched a video or two of mine. If you're listening, I like V-necks. So I'm not a round collar type of girl. I like a V-neck in my clothes. So, but the shorts are stinking cute, comfortable. They have a lot of room and they're very giving. So these are probably going to be mine. And I've got the shoes to try on and the little yellow sweatshirt, but it actually feels like a knit. And I think I'm going to like those too. So I'm going to stop those. I put them on at the very end because I like those the best. Hang on. Okay, I've got on the Horizon little knit top. It says a sweatshirt, but it feels knitty to me. And then I have the shorts on by Another Love. And then I've got the shoes on, and those shoes that are leopard print, they're by Tom's. And I love those shoes, but the problem of it is they're just cut a little wide and just maybe a little bit bigger than my foot. And so they just don't fit me just perfect. I'm a size 8, and I feel like these should be about an 8.5 is what this is. So hang on a second, let me show you. So anyway, I love the shoes, but I don't think that's going to work. I've got them tied back on the, as far as the strap, and you know, it's just not going to work. I'm sliding in them a little bit. The top is cute. I wish it had a little bit less boxy to it. And the shorts I love. So I will probably get my hair out of my face. I will probably get the shorts for sure. Possibly the yellow top, but I don't know. If I'm not in love with it, I don't want to get it, but I do love the shorts. I think I can dress this up with some things I have and make it really pop. So anyway, please subscribe, check out my other videos, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye, everybody.